Welcome. We're going to speak about creating the first formula, and this is not a tutorial to show you, or we are not yet at the point where I'm going to show you the different formulas that exist in Excel, or the functions that exist in Excel. I'm just going to show you how to create your own formula in a very simple manner for a beginner. Okay, so here is the total, and remember that all formulas start with an equal sign, and to get the addition or summation of all this, we are just going to use the cell reference. So this one, use the equal sign and click on it, and then use the plus sign, which is shift equal, then select the second, the third, the fourth, and then once done, I click on enter, and this is what is going to show me, okay, the total of 10,103, which is the total of electricity for the quarter from January to April. I didn't have these values, but I just spent some time and put it in just to save us on time. When I click on the cell reference, that is F8, I don't see 10,103, I see B8 all the way to E8. But what if we had values in the whole column, or a very long type of content? Are we going to go cell by cell to do like this? Of course not, and that's what we are going to pass through in depth later in another tutorial on how to use proper functions to do this type of calculations. Okay, so this is how you create your own formula, but it uses cell references. So you now understand how these tutorials build on each other, so it's better for you not to skip any, because after learning cell references, we've now come to the point of us understanding how cell references used with formulas give you the desired outcome. Like B8, C8, D8, and E8 being in the same column give you the desired outcome of all these values up to cell E8. Okay, that's it for creating the first formula. I just used the addition sign, but we can use different. There is subtraction, etc., etc. It's just that our total is based on addition. See you in the next tutorial, where I'm going to teach on relative and absolute references. See you then. Bye bye.